Hello guys, welcome to my channel and this is Shoptok and today I'm going to show you how to make Windows 11 bootable pendrive. So first clean your format your pendrive and then go to Google Chrome and search Windows 11 ISO file. Go to first link and then go to second option. Create Windows 11 installation media. And now we'll click on download now. And then open the download. Click on accept. And now we uncheck the use the recommended options for this PC. You can choose any language. In my case, it is English muted status. States edition is Windows 11. Click on next. Go to ISO file. Click on next. In my case, there is desktop. Click on save. It will take a few moments to complete. So guys, my download has been finished. Click on finish. Then open File Explorer. Windows desktop. Only copy boot EFI sources. Select one and then press shift and down arrow. EFI sources. Press Ctrl C and go to your pen drive and press Ctrl V. The insert on your laptop. So today's video is up to this. If you like the video, then like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching.